We're going to take a look at some of the severe weather we saw in our area today. Kylie Elizabeth took these photos of hail damage in Fort Smith. You could see the hail that came down just shattered the rear windows of these cars. That is amazing. As Robert Suhr joins me again, we know the worst is behind us, but some people really saw some pretty significant damage with the hail size. We saw just marble size hail outside the station, but golf ball, even maybe baseball size hail in other places.
Yeah, lots of big hail in parts of the region. We're going to zoom it out for a wider perspective. Central Missouri saw baseball to softball size hail. We saw plenty of hail in our area, and we've got plenty of pictures of that hail. Can't share them all, obviously, because we just don't have the time. But you can see this is from Taylor Funk, the hail in Van Buren. I would say that's a little bit larger than golf ball size hail. The different sizes there because of the rhyming process, which is the process that forms hail. Hail in Mulberry, thanks to Dustin for that. You can see that's probably a little bit bigger than the golf ball size hail that many locations saw today. And also Alma, this is probably tennis ball size hail, and I left my tennis ball in my car, unfortunately. Thanks to Kent Myers for that. But hail falling from thousands of feet in the sky, when it reaches that terminal velocity, the absolute fastest that it can fall, it's going to do some damage to your car. Now, you get further up to the north where they get hail a lot more. It's devastating to crops, to livestock. I mean, it can really decimate the agriculture industry. Now, right now, things are nice and quiet for the most part. So I put my hailstone away there. A couple of sprinkles trying to sneak into southwest Missouri. We'll see if those hold together. Really nothing to get excited about, but you can notice here, see the severe thunderstorm watches from earlier. They're all scaled away. We're left with just plunging temperatures and chilly conditions. Having said that, we actually set a record high today in Fayetteville of 84 degrees, breaking the old record, which was 82, set back in 1955. We should be around 70, so 14 degrees above average. Also setting a new warmest morning temperature, essentially the warmest morning for the date ever, 66, breaking the old record of 64. Fort Smith also not getting to a record high, but tying their warmest morning for the date of 62 degrees. Look at that, 1924 was 91. My goodness gracious. Fry an egg on the sidewalk that day. Look at the difference in temperatures here. 60 still southwest Arkansas, or southeast Arkansas. You get to northwest Arkansas, we're in the 50s. You get up into South Dakota, they're around the freezing mark. That's the strength of this cold air that's on the way. Most of northwest Arkansas here upper 40s, and temperatures will continue to plunge through the rest of the night. 50s in the River Valley. Going through the rest of the night, remaining cloud cover should thin out. Waking up tomorrow morning, it'll be chilly. If you're going to the half marathon for the Hog Eye, you'll notice those chilly temperatures. Very windy tomorrow as well, as we'll struggle to get into the 50s and 60s. And then by tomorrow night, no problems. Same with waking up Monday. Now, by Monday, temperatures will start to moderate. Lows tonight, 30s and 40s. Could see some patchy frost. And then we'll rebound tomorrow back up into only the 60s, about where we should be for this time of the year. Early part of the week looks fine. Then we get some moisture in here for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. River Valley, about the same thing. Sunshine, chilly temperatures tomorrow. Then we start to warm up, Brandon. Next chance for maybe severe weather could come Thursday. That's a long way out, but I'm sure Chief Meteorologist Darby Bybee will have an update.